Do you really know what GMP is? Well, stick with us and by the end of this video you will. Good manufacturing practice, or GMP, is a system for ensuring that medicinal products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's designed to minimize the risks associated with the pharmaceutical production rather than relying on final product testing. GMP covers all aspects of production, from the starting materials to suppliers, premises, equipment, to the training of staff and hygiene practices. Patient safety is paramount, and GMP is the bedrock of ensuring that medicines are safe and effective. It builds trust and confidence in the pharmaceutical industry, guaranteeing that products meet stringent quality requirements. Following GMP guidelines is not just a good idea, it's a legal and ethical obligation for manufacturers.